Hey, being at work listeners. These daily doses of leadership are a place for me to process my own leadership lessons. And I had an experience recently that reminded me of the power in moving in and seeing people beyond the assumptions that we make. I am a huge Indianapolis Colts fan. I'm so fortunate that we have season tickets. So we go to most of the home games, and we've been having a challenging beginning of our season. Needless to say, I went to a game recently with a lot of energy. We were playing the Cleveland Browns, and when I walked up to our seats, there are typically a lot of Colts fans, obviously, all around us. But this game, there were a lot of Browns fans. And right next to us was a couple. And immediately I felt so annoyed at these Browns fans. I started making up all kinds of things about how awful they were in my head. And as the game began and the Browns scored and they cheered, the more annoyed I became. Well, fortunately, I tried to pay close attention of how I'm feeling, especially when it's so negative. And I noticed this just awfulness inside. And so I leaned into that a little bit. Like, why am I so annoyed? Why am I really feeling angry at these people I don't know at all? And so I had an opportunity to engage with him. There was a play that was made that was interesting. I commented on it, he commented on it, and we laughed together. And then we started talking. And I learned that they were in town for the game and that they bought these tickets and that they were really excited. It was the first time they'd been to Indianapolis. And you know what? He was lovely. They were lovely. And it reminded me of a Brene Brown quote: "People are hard to hate close up. Move in." It was only when I engaged him that the feelings of frustration and annoyance within me completely dissolved. We make up all kinds of things, and it's so unfair. So move in, engage, and see the person behind your frustration. What a great way to take care of yourself and ultimately each other.